Living with inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, can be challenging, with its debilitating symptoms and unpredictable flare-ups. Thankfully, medical advancements continue to strive towards more effective treatments, and one such revolutionary option is Entyvio. In this video, we will delve into the power of Entyvio and how it is transforming the landscape of IBD treatment. Understanding the limitations of traditional IBD treatments. For many years, the treatment options available for inflammatory bowel disease have been limited in their effectiveness. Medications such as corticosteroids and immunosuppressants have been the go-to choices for managing symptoms, but they often come with a host of side effects and are not always successful in achieving long-term remission. This leaves patients searching for alternative options that can provide them with better outcomes and improved quality of life. Introducing Entyvio, how it works and its unique mechanism of action. Entyvio, developed by brand name, has emerged as a game-changer in the field of IBD treatment. Unlike traditional therapies that broadly suppress the immune system, Entyvio takes a more targeted approach. It specifically targets the gut by blocking the interaction between certain molecules and immune cells in the intestines. This helps to reduce inflammation and prevent further damage to the gastrointestinal tract. The unique mechanism of action of Entyvio sets it apart from other medications used to treat IBD. By selectively targeting the gut, it minimizes the risk of systemic immunosuppression, which can lead to a higher susceptibility to infections and other complications. This targeted approach not only improves the safety profile of the medication but also increases its efficacy in achieving and maintaining remission in patients with IBD. Clinical studies and real-world evidence supporting the effectiveness of Entyvio. The effectiveness of Entyvio in managing IBD has been extensively studied and supported by clinical trials and real-world evidence. In clinical trials, Entyvio has consistently demonstrated its ability to induce and maintain remission in patients with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. These trials have shown significant improvements in symptoms, endoscopic healing, and quality of life measures in patients receiving Entyvio compared to those on a placebo or other standard treatments. Real-world evidence further supports the efficacy of Entyvio in the management of IBD. Studies have shown that a significant proportion of patients who have failed multiple other therapies have achieved remission or response with Entyvio. This is particularly encouraging for those who have exhausted traditional treatment options and are in need of a more effective solution. Comparing Entyvio to other biologic therapies for IBD. In the realm of biologic therapies for IBD, Entyvio stands out for its unique mechanism of action and safety profile. Unlike other biologics, which target different molecules in the immune system, Entyvio specifically targets a molecule called alpha-4 beta-7 integrin. This molecule plays a crucial role in the migration of immune cells to the gut, contributing to the inflammation seen in IBD. By blocking this interaction, Entyvio effectively reduces inflammation and promotes healing in the gut. The safety profile of Entyvio is also noteworthy. Unlike some other biologic therapies, Entyvio has not been associated with an increased risk of serious infections or malignancies. This makes it a favorable choice for patients who may be at a higher risk of such complications. Additionally, Entyvio has a convenient dosing schedule of once every 8 weeks, which can be more convenient for patients compared to other biologics that require more frequent injections or infusions. Common side effects and safety profile of Entyvio. While Entyvio generally has a favorable safety profile, it is important to be aware of potential side effects. The most common side effects reported with Entyvio include headache, joint pain, nausea, and fever. These side effects are usually mild and transient, resolving on their own without the need for intervention. It is important to discuss any concerns or side effects with your healthcare provider, as they can provide guidance and support. In terms of safety, Entyvio has been well tolerated in clinical trials and real-world use. Serious adverse events are rare, and the overall risk of infections and malignancies is low. However, as with any medication, there may be individual variations in response and tolerability. It is important to have open and honest communication with your healthcare provider to ensure that Entyvio is the right choice for your specific situation. How to discuss Entyvio with your healthcare provider. If you are considering Entyvio as a treatment option for your inflammatory bowel disease, it is important to have a thorough discussion with your healthcare provider. They will be able to assess your individual needs and determine if Entyvio is the right choice for you. During your appointment, be prepared to discuss your medical history, current symptoms, and any previous treatments you have tried. This will help your healthcare provider make an informed decision and develop a personalized treatment plan. Your healthcare provider may also discuss the potential benefits and risks of Entyvio, as well as any alternative treatment options that may be available. It is important to ask questions and seek clarification on any concerns you may have. Together, you and your healthcare provider can make a well-informed decision that aligns with your goals and preferences. Patient testimonials, real stories of success with Entyvio. The true power of Entyvio lies in the stories of patients who have experienced its benefits firsthand. Many individuals with inflammatory bowel disease have found relief and improved quality of life with Entyvio. These stories serve as a source of hope and inspiration for others who may be considering Entyvio as a treatment option. One patient, Sarah, had been struggling with ulcerative colitis for years. She had tried various medications and lifestyle modifications with limited success. After starting Entyvio, Sarah noticed a significant reduction in her symptoms and flare-ups. She was able to regain control of her life and participate in activities she had previously missed out on. Sarah's story is just one example of how Entyvio has transformed the lives of IBD patients. Frequently asked questions about Entyvio. Is Entyvio a cure for inflammatory bowel disease? Entyvio is not a cure for inflammatory bowel disease. It is a treatment option that can help manage symptoms and achieve remission in many patients. It is important to work closely with your healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive treatment plan that addresses your specific needs. How long does it take for Entyvio to work? The response to Entyvio can vary from person to person. Some patients may start experiencing improvements in symptoms within a few weeks, while others may take several months to respond. It is important to be patient and consistent with your treatment plan while working closely with your healthcare provider to monitor progress. Can I receive other vaccinations while on Entyvio? It is generally safe to receive routine vaccinations while on Entyvio. However, it is important to discuss any planned vaccinations with your healthcare provider to ensure appropriate timing and minimize any potential interactions or complications. Conclusion: the future of IBD treatment with Entyvio. The power of Entyvio in revolutionizing the treatment landscape for inflammatory bowel disease cannot be denied. With its unique mechanism of action, impressive efficacy, and favorable safety profile, Entyvio offers a new ray of hope for those living with IBD. As researchers continue to explore the potential of this groundbreaking medication, the future of IBD treatment looks brighter than ever. If you are struggling with inflammatory bowel disease and have not found relief with traditional treatments, it may be time to explore the benefits of Entyvio. Speak with your healthcare provider to determine if Entyvio is the right choice for you. Remember, you are not alone in this journey, and with the power of Entyvio, there is hope for a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching.